Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? Dear student, Alhamdulillah, we are reading the basic Arabic book. This book is main thing to read Quran properly. So Alhamdulillah, we read one by one and listen wise. Read the basic book, the Nuraniya Qaida of Arabic language, by which we easily and properly read the Holy Quran very well. So, dear student, today we have lesson number 6. Uh, Alhamdulillah, 4 lesson we read completely. So, in the previous lesson, we have read from Alif to the letter Kaaf Alif, 3 lines. So today, first we repeat the previous day lesson one by one and probably, and then go to the new lesson, inshallah. So now we start with the name of Allah with ta'awuz and tasmiyah. Ta'awuz means a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, and tasmiyah means bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Now we start reading. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف لام ألف لام ألف باء ألف لام ألف لام لام ألف لام حام لام ألف با لام با كاف 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 با كاف با كاف ألف. So this is our previous day lesson, and dear students, so now we read the new lesson which start from this letter. This is Kaaf Alif. This one, the red color is, this one is Kaaf, and this one, the black one is Alif. Kaaf Alif. Now we read two different shape of Kaaf Alif. This one is Kaaf Alif, and here this one is also Kaaf Alif. Next one, this one is Ba Kaf Ta. First one, the black color, this one is Ba, written in half shape, and then Kaf, written in half shape, red color, and then the black color, Ta is in full shape. Ba Kaf Ta. Ba Kaf Ta. Next one is Ta Kaf Fa. Ta, the black color is Ta, written in half shape, and then this is Kaf, red color, written in half shape, and then the last one, the black color, this one is Sa, written in full shape. Ta Kaf Fa. Ta Kaf Fa. Then Ba Ta Sa Noon. We already read this letter in the previous pages one by one properly, and also we read the sign and pronunciation, how to pronounce all the things very well, alhamdulillah. Yeah, so from ba to ya, the previous lesson, the previous, like the previous letter, no any changes on them. Okay. Ba, ta, same shape. Sa, in same shape. Noon, also in same shape. Ya, also in same shape. And then the next one is ba, alif. Ba, written in half shape, then alif joined together. Ba, alif, then noon, alif. Ta, alif. Ya, alif. Sa, alif. Next letter is ba, sin. The first one, the red color is ba, written in half shape, and then the black is seen in full shape. Okay. Basin. Basin. Next is Yasin. Yasin. First one, the red color is Ya, and then seen in full shape. Ya is in half shape. We have read in the previous pages. Ya has two dot at the bottom. This is the sign of Ya. So you see here two dot at the bottom, but Ya is written in half shape. Yasin. Then here Noon, Sin. Noon, Sin. Noon, Sin. You see here the first one, red color is Noon, one dot at the top of the letter. We read the sign of Noon is that one dot at the top of the letter. You see this is Noon, written in half shape. So this is Noon, and then Sin. Sin has in full shape. Noon, Sin. Then next letter is Ta, Sin. Ta, Sin. Ta, Sin. The first one, the red color is Ta, two dot at the top of the letter. So this is Ta, and then the black color is Sin. Ta, Sin. Then next one is Sa, Sin. Sa, Sin. Sa, Sin. You see three dot at the top of the letter. This is Sa. With the sign of Sa is that three dot at the top of the letter written in half shape, and then Sin join with Sa. We read it Sa, Sin. The next one is Sa, Jim. Sa, Jim. Sa, Jim. You see again here Sa, three dot at the top of the letter written in half shape and joined with Jim. Jim is in full shape. We also read the sign of Jim is red, one dot at the middle of the letter. So this is Jim. Okay. The black color is Jim, and the upper letter, the red color, and three dot at the top of the letter. This is Sa. So Sa, Jim. The next, this one is Ta, Ha, two dot at the top of the letter. This one is Ta. We have read the previous pages. Ta sign is there, two letter dot at the top of the letter. So this is Ta, and then the black color and in full shape is Ha, and we have read also the sign of Ha is there. The shape is like Jim, but Ha is no any dot, null, without a dot. We read it light and read pronunciation is Ha, Ta, Ham, Ta, Ham. Now we repeat one by one the whole lesson from here. Kaaf Alif Ba Kaaf Ta Ta Kaaf Sa Ba Ta Sa Nun Ya Ba Alif Nun Alif Ta Alif Ya Alif Sa Alif Ba Sin Ya Sin Nun Sin Ta Sin Sa Sin Sa Jim Ta Ham. So dear student, this is our today lesson. Alhamdulillah, we complete also another page. So inshallah, we start the next page with another lesson, and on tomorrow. So inshallah, see you with the next letter lesson. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah.